Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hair tutorial. If you're new here, I normally do makeup videos, but hi, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you get notified. More videos are going to be coming soon. So I decided to do this hair tutorial because I posted this picture on Facebook. So many people loved it and I'm not a hair person. I don't really know what I'm doing. However, this worked for me. I have really thick hair and it worked perfectly. It held. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so this is what these look like. They're kind of medium size. You can get small ones, but also you can get massive ones. Technically, I do need the massive ones. However, when I was trying to find them, I couldn't find them quick enough. Like I say, I've got no patience. So I just, I don't know whether someone bought this for me, you know, but I think I bought some more because I've got a lot of hair. So because I didn't want to spend time and money, again, on massive roller clips, I just bought these little crocodile clips. So, I don't know what that noise. So when you roll your hair up, you literally, wherever the root is, you clip it on. Smart, right? Okie dokie. So step one, you need a hairdryer. Mainly, it depends, I guess, how long you leave it in for and how thick and how quick your hair dries. My hair is obviously dry at this moment in time, so I'm going to quickly just go over with this, which is the moisture recovery thing. I don't know, it looks like this. I can't pronounce that name, but it's this. I think I got it from BOUNCY or something. But I'm just going to really quickly go over with my hair with this, mainly because my hair probably won't do anything if I don't, because it is bone dry. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is, now I've moistened the hair, I'm going to go in and blow dry it into a certain way before I put the roller in. So, on to the voiceover. Okay, so first off, what I'm doing is I'm parting my hair straight down the middle. You don't really have to be too neat with this because it doesn't really matter. But I'm parting my hair in the middle, so I've got two sections of my hair. With the first section, I'm just taking whatever section you want to do first, and I'm taking the back. So this is the parting kind of at the back of your head. I'm taking the lowest part, and this is where I start, just because I find it easier, and I don't know what I'm doing, sorry about that. And what I'm doing with this first bit of hair is I do this all over the head, but I take this roller brush and I wrap the hair around it. Like I say, I'm not very good at hair. You will notice my technique is not the best. And I'm pulling it out with the hairdryer on and then rolling in the hair and keeping it hot and then doing it the same but the other way. So I'm doing it kind of flip. I don't know how to describe it. On one side of the hair, and then I'm flipping, so I'm curling it the opposite side, and then going back and forth, mainly to get it hot, and then I'm going all the way up the brush to roll the hair all the way up the brush, keep the hairdryer on, and then pull the brush out. I'm then going to go in with a roller and brush through to the end, and then roll it up, and then, like I say, what I would do is clip it if I need to. So like I say, I'm not good at this, as you can see. As you can see, so I roll it up and then I will clip it if I need to, and this is what it looks like. So now I've done that first roller, I basically just go through my whole hair on one side and do that. I normally do the back section first just because I find that easier, but I work through my whole entire head, working from the bottom to the top, and then I'll go onto the other side. I will speed it up for you so you don't have to sit and watch. It takes about 30 minutes or so, so it actually doesn't take that long considering I have a lot of hair. Like, it's not mega long, but it's mega thick. Rollers that I've done at the sides, as you see, the one that's literally right by my eye, I will bring the hair in towards my face and roll it in towards my face rather than outwards. I just find that makes it look really nice around your face and kind of wavy. And I'm also leaving a chunk at the front. Now this is for the end, which you will see, and I will skip to that now. Okay, so for the last rollers, I am using this chunk at the top and I split it into two. So I've got two chunks that go right, the parting of your head is right in the middle, and then you've got two chunks either side. So I'm going in with the two at the back. So this is I use the back first of the two sections. So I'm going in and blow drying away from my head for this one, and just doing the same technique but backwards. Like I say, I flick the hair round the brush first, and then I go in with the hairdryer and move the brush through. That's the only way I can describe it, and I'm not very good, so this is why I thought I would do this tutorial, just because I guess it's easy for someone to do it if they don't know what they're doing, because that's what I've done. So I'm just doing that, and I've done that on both sides, and then for the front it is slightly different, and I'll show you and speak through what I did. Okay, so apparently I didn't do both of the back first, but anyway, so the front, what I do is I bring the brush over, so I folded it as it's going into my face. So a lot of people will blow dry their hair backwards, however I am blow drying this over my face. So as you can see, I've wrapped the hair round, going frontwards, if that makes sense, and I'm doing the same with the roller. So I'm bringing it over towards my face and rolling it in towards my face, and I'm bringing it right up to the root quite tight, and you will find that sometimes the rollers around your face will just hold themselves, but that is what I find works best for at the front of your face. I'll show you quickly again on the other side. I do find that these front bits are most important, so I'm going over it again. I've put the brush underneath and then the hair on top of the brush and rolled it under, and I'm going towards my face, not away from it. So I'm pulling the hair over my face and I'm using the under wrap. So I'm wrapping it underneath rather than the hair going on top of the brush, if that makes sense. It's so hard to describe, but once I've done that, I'm going in with the roller in that same motion, and bringing it in towards my face rather than outwards, so I'm rolling in towards my head. Okay, so once the rollers are all in and I've secured them properly, I'm going over with that spray, and then I will leave it, but also blow dry it a little bit as well. Off and on, especially if it's wet, you want to kind of keep blow drying it, but this is how it looks once you've done the rollers. And I don't brush them out at all. I just pull the roller out with it and it kind of brushes it as you go. Let me stand up so you can see these. So you can see it starting to come out, and it is very curly. And then with these, you want to just roll them straight out. And then pull them to the side. So then what you want to do is lean your head back and kind of ruffle it up a little bit. And then when you pull it forward, you're going to have all this big, bouncy, curly hair that kind of goes round your face, and I just think it looks really, really pretty. So this is the finished look. As you can see, it is wavy, it is curly. I absolutely love how it comes out. I think it looks really, really nice, and it holds for thick hair. That is honestly not something that happens a lot. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. New videos are going to be coming a lot more regular now. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.